Hello everyone and welcome back. Today is September 16, 2022. Just gonna do a quick video of the other garden that I had planted this year, which isn't doing as good as I was hoping to compared to last year. Basically, where you see the where the hay is, I planted some potatoes, which isn't doing too well. Most of them have died off. The tomatoes, last year, a few of them were almost 6 feet tall. Now this year they're basically about waist high. And even with the cucumbers that I planted this year, they're not growing too well. Just gonna let the car pass. Yeah, so the cucumbers they planted on the fence over here, I got maybe 4 small tomatoes. They're the Market Moore 76, and they're about maybe half the size or a third of the size that they normally are. And even with the squash that I planted, like down here, some of it had died off. I planted one in the corner, basically near the bamboo pole down there. That didn't really grow. Didn't get any squash or anything. So far, there's some tomatoes growing, but I didn't get any tomatoes that I could actually pick. And one last thing. I don't know if you can see where the yellow flowers are. I had planted pumpkin there, and I had planted pumpkin down over here, and there's just been growing flowers but no pumpkins, so just let the car pass again. So another car. I had tilled the garden this spring. The only thing I did different was I did not put any compost or any composted manure this year. I did not put any. So I'm sort of thinking that that's why a lot of the plants aren't doing so well this year. So I'm basically calling it a write-off for the garden that I did, which kind of sucks. But I guess for next year I'll be putting some compost in the manure, and hopefully that's gonna make the plants grow better. So thanks again for watching, and talk to you guys later on. Bye bye.